5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy.
Hey you guys, my name is Lynn. If this is your first time, come to my channel, just hit that subscribe button below. Today I'm just showing y'all my weekly facial routine that I do. Well, it's bi-weekly, but I'm just showing you my routine, so let's get it started. So I'm using a Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay and some apple cider vinegar. So I have them separate since I'm only doing it by myself. I have them separate in little cups. I got these cups from Amazon for like $3. So I have a little empty one to pour it in. So yeah. And now, so I just want to thank you all for just watching my video. So I'm just finished up mixing in my apple cider vinegar and healing clay, and I'm gonna show you how I look once I finish before I apply it on my face.
Please just call me. A lot of girls I could pick and choose, but I'm picking you. But you're not picking me back. Damn girl, this isn't you. I must have fucked up bad, my bad, maybe it isn't you. Send you a text at 2, is it too late to get to you? See what's up with you when you tell me there's nothing new. Rumor has it there's someone new, hoping it isn't true. It's hard to get through to you when you never in the mood. I'm just stuck with true love, I just wanna give to you.
Okay, so for those that don't want to get their hands messy, you can always use an old foundation brush.
Cause I don't think I'm over you still. Never lost hope because I have hope. Yeah, I'm hoping we heal. You can't give you what I gave you, and nobody will. I have an emptiness in my heart that you only could feel. You're 1,000 miles away, and babe, it honestly kills. I miss your laugh, I miss you bad. Damn, now I'm behind the wheel, but I don't even know. Yeah, girl, I don't even know where you are. I don't even know where you are. I don't even know. Please just call me. It's been a while since you left me, but I'll smile when you text me. After you realize your new man fucked up one time too many. I remember when we split, you said please don't forget me. I didn't forget, you forgot me. That's contradicting. Sometimes I sit and wonder if maybe it's just too late for me. It sucks because my anxiety won't allow me to wait and see all the love that you gave to me, all the things that you say to me. Please don't say it was make-believe. Hate it cause you're away from me. You took my heart and you went and split it in two. And everybody knows it. Nothing's what you give to me, nothing's what you did for me. I thought you were into me, you made me a memory. Gave you all that's left of me, everything is dead to me. Where are you mentally? Cause I don't even know. Yeah. Girl, I don't even know where you are. I don't even know where you are.
Okay, so I just want to say, don't be like me. I tried to eat while my facial was dry, so it was cracking and dropping. So I advise not to do that. Just wait till after.
Please just call me. Please just call me. I don't even know where you are.
You guys, so I just washed my face, and now I'm about to apply my Lubriderm lotion to moisturize my face. And one good thing about this facial mask, you can also use as a hair mask. And if you like this song, I have the link below.